Ngakiwa bwatokerwe kemerie cha avocado cha Hass
ndete iyo twachorete na Banyamira obwate manifesto yayo goteba inera no bokurumi bwoka maito gokora
abaraya se county ya Nyamira kuborwa gokorera abananchi amagendero chinga kingana yo bokurumi yagikeriwe
Beyond infrastructure, a thriving digital economy requires the presence of a sizable and highly skilled digital workforce.
Omurai wense William Ruto koraogo chaka bene kwa musangrekano Connected Africa Summit asase geto utumekiwe chinchera chekerero. Mwanchu muligere ya yomuna yanda mange to kwarigania senchera ya bene eri tukumanya senchera eri yobwekiranwa sesemo ya Facebook na bagotanyaro wetera Ndizi TV News Digital.
Wetera YouTube na bagotobati Ndizi TV News na bagotera se website ya www.ndizitv.net.
Eri teriane Evelyn Osero ulia tukubwatira na sesemo imanyerero ni gakorokwa Lydia Muse.
Abigo Petra Mukira nero kweneke bana chibi chamwe eri kuchago chira senchera wekirano eri terane Josephat Hamisi.
To kwarigania senchera ya bene tuchakie emanye Jumatatu chinsi sataso wekirano kurwase county ya Kisii asabaremi bagendrete kuboriwa kweneke bunangwe soke bare na gukora uburemi asenchire ya moyo kwenyorera engeria na boigo chibesa ase amatuko aribusyo
ani gwana kiwali tkolero asamagacho ATC ase omugabana we county ya Kisii Posimbarati nyarakobaga kora umuyiga bokwena na ekemeria kia avocado elia ya Hass ochase abaremi herinde banyare koba bago simbekana kwenekia una koba bakwenyorera engeri hari engaki yarigasa
Muriketo Mildred Momanya ne kirana sayo na gutwarganiryo roboti urwa senchera ere yo wikirano
Omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simba arati gakubwatana ne sector y'oburimi ni gacha kyabene omurobiri bwo kwena na chimbusuro cye avocado chimayakanje muna Hass avocado ekyo kiri buchimya iberego kya sabarimi ime county ya Kisii asogo cyo gusimeka engake gayembura bunenchera ya moyo gokinya sector y'oburimi na boigo abarimi kwegendereria asamagima abo abotambe.
We are launching the distribution of Hass avocado seedlings to our farmers for planting during this rainy season. The seedlings have been nurtured here at ATC in an initiative out of partnership between the county government of Kisii and the European Union through the EU Ideas projects. The global level demand for avocado fruit has increased remarkably in recent years due to the growing consumer awareness of the potential health benefit of the fruit, hence the need for us to take advantage. First production cycle, the fruit tree nursery had a capacity of 200,000 avocado seedlings. But moving forward, it is anticipated that the capacity will increase and accommodate banana plants, coffee seedlings, which is Ruilu 11 variety, to support those respective value chains. And I want to repeat that what we are distributing now out of our nursery, it's 200,000 seedlings.
Nigo omugabana aine kebuna nonye nabo abalemiti baligo kyakoborwa echiro enga kibono e county ya Kisii ebwate ekegwanda kyogosi kya avocado asokorosya ebinto binde ebinge.
But we have the potential to produce more than 60 metric tons per acre annually, translating to, in this regard, the county government of Kisii has established an avocado factory to address the challenges. The fruit tree nursery here at ATC was established at a total cost of 7.5 million. It has been duly registered and certified by Kenya Planter Health Inspectorate, that is KEFIS, which gives credence to the quality of seedlings being distributed. It's important to note that the only certified organization in the country which certifies fruits is KEFIS.
ase chingaki ekyo nigo abalemi basaba gwesokya na kwiranirira ekemeri kia avocado ekiagera nigo ebwateri gesarigia nabo igo nigegokonya ase amagima y'abalemi abange
nesinga ekemeri eke kebwate kibesa abalemi baminto kumuranje toimisa abantu baitu babeke ekemeri eke echae yarosire bali mumanyete mubwate echae tubwate kifamu kinene yarosire mwale gwanja mu na checha akeigo nekemeri eke nakero gesororo egekoreta masao yechibesa kire igoro mono narengo mu kibu America moisonde avocado yemeko ko $15 $15 konye calculate ine ya Kenya na ne karolebe krestika ya Kenya $15 ya avocado yemo ya Arua goigwete ne kibesa ngeko ni wali kia Kenya kiri bubere na motu ange almost 3000 ya avocado yemo
nigo abalemi imeye county ya Kisii bagokeire okwaegwa chimbusuro chia hasa avocado eligo chigosimeka moto yogo chikonyora lige saligia asensemo ya avocado ngolipotalia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV korugaiga asensemo ya ATC eletaliane Mildred Momanyi
Bemano muliki oito Mildred Momanya saraboti ora senchira yobo ikaranunu to tigaritase omo sangirekano oyo nigo mugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Mbarati anyarire kobaga kugikeria ebikorwa byo kuborwa omurembe ime county ya Kisii nigo achire magega yobosaga ni kwaneki wase abisio mwemusie we ward ya Ichuni Wycliffe Siocha nabigo monto oyo mogo siro bugima bwa chinchira chobo tutukanu asensemo ya Kenyanya
harati nigatere na yo nengana batachi wanchire bege kugendererwa se county ya Kisii na otabanige getamkire ikararo kebwenerete koimokiwa asoko eneki abuna amagima y'abamenyi kurose county ya Kisii yabereye kubekwa asauroro ase ogotingeriwa oburendi chingaki cyo nigabaka gukwanira igore kubwato kwa wechi basari ocyase aboro kwa bakuru asinga kitari kwenyara kurase chiwodi chonse imeye county ya Kisii
muliki oito Julie Kerubo na ikrana somo sangirekano yina gutwarigana roboti rokobatia
engana yoborendi obobe nigo yabeire igoro mono ime ya Kenya na sensemo ya Gusii aya niga gocha magega yabakagirwa kubwata samatuka bwango iga asensemo ya keroka kubwatekana no gutagurwa kwinyumba yo MCA no monto yomo goito gwikogo kwa asensemo ya Kenyanya nabakagirwa bebikore ebyo babwatetwe na magega yaye kubwato kwa egento kiamo gachiri umugabano bwe county ya Kisii Mbarati ase asabire abantu bonsi boborendi kwena na oborendi bwisaine
where some known criminals have gone and demolished the office of the area MCA where the ward admin sits, and they have destroyed properties. For the criminals who were arrested by the public and presented before the police, later on, I'm told they were released. Yesterday night, I'm told there are people again killed a young man in Kenya. Whereas the criminals who were arrested with the blood-stained motorbikes, these people were released yesterday night. We want to send a strong warning. If the police, they are not going to protect the lives of our people, protect properties, we will ask the common mwananchi to protect himself.
Gosimbarati amochire serikali nene asego tategerera buigo kwimuki egetambukero asabonno arachikoru chinchera kiratinye oborendi
serikali yakorekana teri korora teri gotegerera ninchemba etinete ndege temba tebinga ninde tayari kubulya abananchi bairende bokamanyana ngenjo tiyo ekonyalekana properties chikogendera osalika amagima kagosira abasikali baligererete
nigo asabire abasigari gokorega siyabo na kubwata basaria bonsi ase ensemo ya Gusii.
A responsibility and you are not committed to executing that responsibility, we will help you to do it. We want to urge our brothers and sisters who are in the security sectors, act now. Arrest all the criminals who are involved in crime in Kisii.
Kubotekana nimero berio ye Chibasari ni gobono mogoko monene urachiko base bari berigetie asomo gavana ene kya chimilioni chimibere ne merongene na isano chibekire che Chibasari asekero mwana kurwa chiwodi chansi arachi konyora
Pesa cha soke maambia mpaka Friday mkoina na tulichicheki kero mwana wa applyte e basari Kisii na ende sechu ward no bali bachende wote neni once ngo atole basari abana kuri ward yabo. We are giving 245 million and we are determined ngigase yarongo koratole
ngo ripoti rigeta seni Kendizi TV editariana Julie Kerubo
Biamana omurikeito Julie Kerubase orobo tiororo ikiranu tokulgereria aberikoraga okorekana kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo abara kurwase county ya Yoba boriwe gukorera abananchi amagendro na nene gutumika enibo y'abananchi asogwikirania ari abwenerete
nigo hanyara ko bakona litkoria rero no Moske James Kemoni hoyore omwana siasa chinga kicho moyega bwogo chakia obotumeki bwe manebirogo ibibyanyara ko babikogorwa moneke ombe ekemo semo ya karantini imewodia gesima
omurikeito kurwase county ya Nyamira Paul Kapokara na manke
Okwana asinseme chiga cha karantini chinga kia cha kebene obotumeki bwehema na bego nebirogo bibyagurwa munabanya kyumba baiga bagesicha women group Moske Kemoni ni gagendere ko bagakogikiria obokurumi bogendrete kwene kumeye county ya Nyamira
ondete iyo twachorete n'abanyamira obwate manifesto yayo goteba inera n'obukurumi bw'okamaete gokora gusaba ndakongo sabali bali nere timu yaye n'obukurumi bw'okegakora no muri Nyamira yeitu itangaine amangana y'obukurumi obukurumi obona bwagerire tokogenda twatene n'ebikara gitachi barabara chito twateba ngokorukire njigokoru
nigo Kemoni aganiria abananchi kwenekerirwa magendero bwikirano edio kwegendereria
amariogo na wagwente kwendera korokanoro no yabanyagitari bagomete tunyore injira abananchi baitu bakonyora kurwarigo abana baitu nabono barengete twigora chiskuru next week ngwigorukire bali batene tamana y'Chibasari chiriche county chiriche CDF tigaba beiro koboko banyore na abana baitu banyodire fees bawuchire school
Kemoni boigo ni gabaganiria ba MCA kurwase county Nyamira kwene kibunangole ndabale enengo ye county bwikirano elio abananchi kwenekerirwa amagendero
elio gineli nyinge sana lire Nyamira elinde ndiwo chakere byongosi begoro ne byongosi be county igendo tuganete no bomo igondo gotebi county yeito our MCA bakore igendo tukoroka oversight by ensure that our resources are well utilized and properly given out to do the development which our people requires.
Amenyi awekire na soma yogoyoga niko bagenda ko bakwemurunganiria ogotikwa maiga samagendero nabono kubura gwe Chibara sabaganire koroseli gwa Chibara igati ya magendero ande
na gaiga bare mimbarororo tukuri mechae turimete tuwaka matabori emetengu simeka turi tubwate embo kongusana sokoni ebintu byaitu igwe tugusaba abaisimiwa bari iguru mwana bune gabana na seneta batige kona tungaina agaria ntunduri konyora ibari okubaikera baikega igabarore emechando tubwate egara bamaye ko chikunya kurwana agari emechando tubwate tukubakira chikura bamanya kujikunya goitana iguraria bakungaine namba turendete tiga bayijensa iga batore emechando tubwate batorose chipara egakierie chikura karo bagoja twagenderera
ingana y'obukurumi bwa county Nyamira bwego niko bwagendera ko bokugikirirwa na barenge abaraya samatuka maiga ngokwanira John Suleiman na Juma Douglas
chinjira ntobwati unabone para twajira gocha igoro jigari sigatigarete twigo ikase tole ngare mono yari konyare kana barayi baito bakonya abana inji abakawaida egera banyora sibagwetera banyora kine kibaranya ko baba kwego kina borobu una mbanyore tabarai na ndemba chorete serikali yegenda tokole mireme iyo
so I'm appealing to the leadership ya Nyamira Jones pia se yabeta right away from the MCS to the governor babokirire igoro chingaki babwata obisi bakora abananchi egasi gekogera omwananchi gabachorta bamokorera egasi anya komake scorecard
no mweri oye omusike Kimoni niga basemirie anene abanyakiomba baiga gutumika yubuya elio kwegendereria
mukongikija mina ngira nikingoite binyoro ibino korregendo na korete nkero ebe siri moko nyolenke takubike mibuko yino ndira abana chamaba ebesa yabo na endeme
eginko reporter getaseni kwa wajete kya Ndizi TV kurugiga sinseme chiga cha karantini imeyewadi yiga ya gisima ya county ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Biamono muliki oito Polycarp Okara chingaki ebyama AMS ya Kenya bigendete koba bikweroberia ase obachori nigobono ekyama gya UDA kianyarire koba gekwyarigania bene nabo gutigara amatuko anarioka rinde obachori obonyare koba bogo korekana nyara boni gabarai bagendete koba bakorigia ebirogo byobotererwe kyame kibagendete koba bagweso kana gweya kirekoko eliokone kyabona banyare koba kwenyara libaga liokora ekyama ekyo
Wycliffe Mirina korwa sensemo ya Dagoretti Embakasi South mimucho Nairobi no yomobwa bali bakuriye kirogo kyobonya kirogo asekyame kyo kya UDA sensemo Embakasi South asaberega kuboria abamenyi bechinseme cyo wesokya nabo igo kumusira sokone kyabuna onyorire obura ichinga kyecho nigaba usiba bere bakubori wago chamo asobonge na kurwanira ebirogo au byagisiasa.
Katika timu Mirina tuko na kitu inaitwa tribal balance whereby tumefanya kabila zote wamejisikia kwamba wako nyumbani. Katika timu Mirina chairman ambaye wanasimama hapa mbele ni Mkisii. Naitwa Wycliffe Mirina, nimesimama kiti ya chairman, lakini pale kwa polling MCC napita katika professionals. So ukienda pale MCC tarehe 26 which is on Friday next week utanipigia katika professionals. Ndio tena tusonge on another level tukiwa na delegates wenzangu. Jambo ningeomba ni kwamba tafadhali mnavoenda kupiga kura pale katika kituo cha polling, angalia ule mtu ambaye yuko timu Mirina. Ukimpitisha jua umepitisha maendeleo na umepitisha timu Mirina.
Kama mtajitokeza siku ya kupiga kura, si mnajua timu ni tofauti. Hii timu mkiingiza watu wachache, kubali mkatae hatutaenda juu. Lakini mkijitokeza kwa wingi, timu Mirina wote waingie, tunaenda na hizo viti mpaka juu.
Kwa sababu sisi tumesema tutatembea hii safari pamoja. Tunataka tusaidie watu wetu wa Embakasi South.
Omuraibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigabaga kora abaraibande be serikali asogo chaka naboigo koigora umusangirikano o Connect Africa Summit 2024 oyabako okorekana asegete kya Uru Gardens imeye county ya Nairobi.
Nomurega gosomo yegonyara kobokoreta amo abarai kurua asorogongorwa Afrika sekerenga yokwanegere chinchira ao chinse chiranyare koba chiko egendere gwetera asemitanda gose internet ronyara boni goruto anyara koba gago segeta okobwaterana kwa bene elio chinchira echo chekero chinyare koba chigo tumeka asogwikirania emerobelio ya magendero gatiabo okorwania ogonchoreria kwerire
chinga kyecho ni garwe segetogo chia saba sae kwene kiabuna nkwesona ni bare no bumanyobwo bwekerero asenchire moyoko bakonya kwegenderia nabo igo kwenyorera emirimo.
Higher digital inclusion will intensify job creation and will help us deal with the challenge of poverty. Beyond infrastructure, a thriving digital economy requires the presence of a sizable and highly skilled digital workforce to build on advances in digital technology and to drive innovation and productivity, thereby creating a dynamic ecosystem which ushers enterprises into the digital economy and enables them to scale up successfully. Driven by bold creativity and an indomitable entrepreneurial spirit, African youth are pioneering advances in fintech, agri-tech, renewable energy, and digital services. They are a generation which has been socialized to internalize technology as a basic need and way of life that is essential not only for economic growth, but also as a vital tool for solving the most pressing challenges of our time, including improving access to basic services like education, healthcare, and for
chingaki echecho nigo omorai gwense anyara kobaga kuboria barai anene kurasoro gongoru Afrika banyare kobaba koba asomo sali mutwe elio kwenekia buna internet yanyare kobage gosirwa na boigo wakanero na konguswa gochiase emechi ahiyegendrete amono bonchole bunenchira yamo boigo yogosira sector yobotali
nigate buna internet yone chokonya mono asobotumeki gose ogwikirani wa kwobo koreri ase chinsemo au asenchira iyekerero ingana nonya nabo yabage kwewa okoboko no ambassador o European Union wocha Kenya Henriette Giga oyoteire buna internet yo amone chinchira chinde chekerero nigo chira konye asogotinya obwamate egatiense ya Kenya amone chinse chinde.
We have quite some time and we have some way to go in order to be ready for the digital economy and the future of work. Africa's internet penetration rate is 36%, which translates to 470 million users in a continent of 1.4 billion people. Current projections indicate that at the current pace of development, this number will increase by an additional 300 million people by 2030. Our continent is connected to the global internet through 19 undersea cables, which is comparatively modest compared to other continents.
The success of African economies depends on solving problems that are very specific to the local context. And at first glance, these problems may not always look like technology issues, but they are. Kenya is actually full of success stories of companies applying technology to aquaculture. I like to joke that we should change the name of aquaculture to fish tech, so that the industry gets more investment attention. But it's not completely a joke. Today, fisheries rely on cutting-edge technologies like GPS, data analytics, and artificial intelligence that have the potential to revolutionize fishing and make Africa the world leader. And it's not just fishing. In the 21st century, farming is not just farming, it's ag tech. Medicine is not just medicine, it's med tech. Finance is not just finance, it's fintech. And fashion is not just fashion, it's fashion tech. You get the idea. Whatever your country's specific strengths and challenges are, that's where technology can deliver the most impressive results. Finally, using technology to shape the future of a connected Africa must be sustainable. Technology innovation is not a one-time innovation. It requires constant adaptation.
Ngati ya barayo banyarakoba wikirana somo yo no moteneri bwa waziri Musalia Mudavadi na boigo waziri boboerania na mangana yekerero Eludo Waro yibo nyarakoba go segeta ekagori egeke kiabasa ikenyare koba ge gwesona na magerio yobo manyi bo internet bunenchira eye moyo kwegenderia sobo gimabwa bono bokariri bwa wakali tuko
walo nigate obneke gori egeke ni gokebwateri baga rigi ya kwenyorera emere mu wetera ase mitandao hanena semere emeremo ase chinse chesko ase boigo omo waziri wa mangana ye chinse chaisiko Musalia Mudavadi aberega kugokera ekerengo chinse cha Afrika chigendrete no bumanyobo.
We have got opportunity to enhance the level of digital public infrastructure for Africa. We need to enhance the level of our fiber connectivity, our internet connectivity, so that we have universal access and we have digital inclusivity. Other opportunities that we need to exploit, Your Excellency, include but not limited to the digital jobs that we have within the digital space, opportunities for digital entrepreneurship so that we explore the possibility of Africa being a manufacturer of digital enterprises and equipment such as smart-enabled telephones before we go the full hog to embark on manufacture of computer hardware and software. And while doing all this, we need to recognize that everything that we are going to do by way of digital interventions has to be anchored on a sound policy, legal, and regulatory framework.
Dealing with where we are going, the future of technology and connectivity, I think it is important that as Africa, we make sure that we are running fast enough not to be left behind. We cannot continue playing catch-up. The second aspect of it is that we should then also learn to use what we have and make sure that the ball is always ahead so that
Mwancho mugerita okos kamo tweni go omonene bwa waziri ibigoro mwaziri bwa mangana ye chinse chesko Musalia Mudavadi abagawikirana sege ikaro kia UNICEF 2024 Global Operations and Finance ekyo kerengete kobeka obwa mate boro buyana kubwatirana ne serikali asogwikirania amagendero
asekirenga kyumayigo ibelitko lero nigo agati yabali banyarako bago ikirana banyarako bago semigwa igoro ye chinjira a serikali bwenete ko bage gutumia enibo ya yebuya sogwikirania emerobelio ya magendero.
We are fully cognizant of the importance of these SDGs in guiding and shaping a brighter future for our next generation and the crucial roles that finance and operations hold in achieving these objectives. Reflecting on my experience in government, especially during the period at the helm of steering the economy as a former Minister of Finance, I know firsthand the significance of putting in place sound financial and operational mechanisms for the success of organizations like UNICEF. Efficient, transparent, and accountable financial management is not just a necessity, but a cornerstone for sustainable development. Fiduciary accountability ensures that resources are utilized effectively and ethically, focused on the measured outcomes so as to impact the beneficiaries. I therefore encourage all of you participating in this meeting to embrace best practices in financial management, safeguard resources, minimize waste, and ensure that they are channeled towards their intended purposes. Let us collectively strive to enhance our financial and operational strategies, setting a solid foundation for the realization of UNICEF's goals and ultimately the well-being of children.
Toska mote omwaziri bobolendi waimeki thure kindiki ritkolero niganyara ko bakora etaro ya bene gwikira ase amagacho anyayo house bunenchira eyemo yokorotota emerobelio bokoreri yakira lituko ase chabisechyo
kokwana ase chabisechyo cha immigration kindiki nigabaga kwene kebuna bono ogoichorerana kwa chi passport ya senseme yotikorgo cha kwene kiwa asate ona babekire merobelio emekiranu yokwene kia abakenya bonsi bali kirere konyora chi passport nigo barachie ko chinyora ase obwango kegima asbaigane kyabuna babekire meroberio yoko bwatirana nabo bisabu burendi asogokora amangana yobokrumi.
The new applicants, we have given a commitment. Now that we have sufficient booklets, we have sufficient printing capacity. We have given commitment that the new applicants will be collecting their passports within 21 days. From 1st of August, we reduce that time to 7 days, and from 1st of November, we reduce further to 3 days. Finally, I have asked the directorates and the State Department of Immigration and Citizen Services to also put together a concept which we will be taking to Cabinet so that we can also upgrade at the end of the year our passports to a third generation passport which is superior and which meets the standards of the first world type of passports, so that our passports can be as strong and as secure as the passports that are issued in the first world. So I'm very happy we are on course, and as I said, this department, although it had issues, is going to be the case study of reform and a case study of efficiency. And once more, let me thank all the teams and thank the DG, thank the PS, thank security, and all the people who have contributed to making this happen, including the support from the National Treasury and the other security agencies that are working together to make sure that this place is corruption.
Imeye sekta yobo chenu nige byombe biria bitenerete abakori emeremo ase sekta yobo chenu banyale ko baba ko boria baraibe chikanisa banyale ko bago esonania asumuro bilio bwoko gayana na gukora omogiro yonyalire ko bago ko bao ase ekero bono magiga ya serikali utaikirania magari ao y'abanyagitari
anigo batebire gusibaganirie abaraya bw'echikanisa gukora chinkwana ne serikali asenchire ya mojo gokonya amagani abo goikiraniwa nabo igo ko bakonya kuirana emeremo asekere ba moire umuwaziri w'oburemi Mithika Linturi amatuko 5 eryo wasio kiago se babere bagoteba bunanigo barachie kogendereria umugiro wika amagani abo abeire ka wikiraniwa.
We've faced difficulties for the last 2 weeks or 3 weeks. The government is not budging and they do not want to come to the table. So today we decided to come and seek the guidance of people who are closer to God to help us come up with a solution in what is happening.
The recognition agreement is a right and not a privilege. It does not need any budget. It's unfortunate that to date, despite us doing very many reminders to the ministry, the CS went to Parliament, and I want to demystify this.
We have gone through conciliation 3 times. It has failed. We have gone to court. There are still active orders against the employers to come to the table. The county governors continue to be in contempt, and so we are not on strike because we want to be on strike. We are on strike because it has been made a necessity, and mostly by the 47 county governors.
This is a matter of collective bargaining agreement in the CBA, and therefore it should be honored, and the intern doctor should be posted immediately as per collective bargaining agreement. So that's the point of departure on that thing. And therefore, this morning we were meeting with the religious leaders, particularly for us as KMPDU. We want them to pray to soften the
kubatakana no kogorwa no koni wa kuboyo bore obobebe bono nige kyombe kelia kialo society of Kenya rekobe gwesokia na kogosererie bunge gange chikonyara kobe kwira egetambo kero na kumubekera umuwaziri bwobore Mithika Linturi ekina oyetali kochikobaga gwasyoria gati yabali bagenda koba bakonia oboyo botancheri
bakora wano mu president wekyombe kyo Faith Odhiambo nigo baene bae nanire amatuko 5 agose onye taribo babe bakoimokia egetambukiro ase umuwaziri bwobore Mithika Linturi ekyombe kya NCPP nabo igo KEBS asenchire yemo yokorwanirira abalemi eryo babe bawakanwa.
Period that we have given for the demand to the CS is a 7-day demand notice, that he starts setting in place some of these recommendations that we have made, because we need to see action. He's responsible for that ministry, and we cannot keep seeing the ping-pong games that are going up and about. We need to see answers. We need to see recommendations being made, and how can farmers who have since been affected by this scandal be given reparations for this.
Harabati oru rwekyombe kialo Society of Kenya mwanchomo ligereria na ruoro gotoira ase omotimoko omotangani imemanye Jumatatu chinsa isato chabana batuko.
Nigotogo so sensemo ya kabere ya studio tumanyore Victor Sultani ubanya tumanyina ya twarganete ime yemanye chigo sori chinsa isato tokoira na tumayo kore manye Jumatatu asubwamo.
Muswati one ngoreta nabekanye ikobono tinde ko machiko bone ko akimwana yataje tande kai kega ninkande itobono yo Kiaba karaga sino ndana porega no bwaterata minto torkogenda wachora genda seino tobwana tikotoka toka seino na seino nyaboke na toka bo wana na chakwe kankwane remo muro minto
Kwa kila mwana. Nana. Tunashinda. Akitokorera nalipo kwa mwana huyu. Ekenteke tanga nintete kora hotel. Kitego kusabo kwa gorana. Musonde. Omoitongo.
Na gosogoirie mwancho murigerio ndizi TV ngo kwaligania na gokwira ningambia muno soko genderera kurigeria emanye Jumatatu eye ne manye chigosori abo asengo chakera korwase chinsemo chiage kombe kia Emirates FA Cup abo ase etimu ya Manchester United bono yasoire ase finali ya kombe kyo mayega yoko nyirolia kurwa goitwa ni timu ya Coventry City ase kombe usese keminano ye semi final ya gosole tigweri tko Liego Roman United ni yalenga sobora yase goikira chitaeka emerongo 5 abwase Coventry City yarwete mayega na koye na usego gobeka chigoli chinde isato mayega ya yego so sensemo yechi penalty. Man United ni go yabwete nsemo yechi penalty na konyali bagalio goso ase chi finali abwase bara chikosolia ne timu ya Manchester City gosoli emekanitu na Manchester Derby si finali ya kombe kyo kia Emirates FA Cup tariki 25 chomotinyi ogo chomotinyi gatano yemaiga ya Man City kobaka timu ya Chelsea egoliemo sebosa segosoli ya gosoli tigwelitko ya Jumamosi ngo kwaligania semanye chigosoli litariane Victor Sultano bangituye kemenyerero tokwirana ngomanyina raliaya ale asorogongo rwagusi. Manchumaria to chake kurwa segeti ya Sameta ase ligi ya FKF Division 2 abu ase timu ya White Hart FC ya nyelineli baga timu ya Gucha U Triogoke ya libaga yabo egati yabo amo ne timu etangina ase ligi yo eso asobora ibwe ligi Gucha FC ni go ya vetereri wetigwe wanchira na Edroch golibere ase ibere ne timu ya White Hart abu asomo kocha bwe timu ya White Hart Mika Onsongo tebrebuna eganga yao ni go yabo ni go yalengo kubuya gosori yo kureno nonyana boni go basometa mange ayobara chikobeka na kwene kinga etimu ya White Hart ngosukere bosio ase ligi ya FKF Division 2 ni gone naboigo RTGT yemechando yenibo etimu yo egwetera yo ya yirete kumusomaega ase etebo ye ligi yo
ekone mengacha eyo
Kwa majina naitwa Mika Onsongo, team manager White Hart FC. Leo tumekuja away kwa game ya Guja Youth. Game imekuwa mzuri hata kama hatujapata, tulikuwa tunatarajia win lakini tumepata draw. Tumejituma kwa hii game. Asante kwa players wamejituma. Game plan yetu imefanya kazi. At rest tumepata chenye tulikuwa tunatarajia. Ni vigumu sana kupata draw kwa Guja Youth lakini tumejaribu, tumepata draw kwa game ya leo. Tactically hatukuwa tunatarajia ikuwe hivi, lakini walipata mapao ya kirahisi kwa sababu ya mistake kidogo kidogo, lakini tutarudi kwa training tuirekebishe for the next game. Sisi kama White Hart tunazidi kung'ang'ana ndio at least tupaki kwa ligi, kwa sababu mahali imefikia saa hii gap yenye iko na ya kwanza na sisi imekuwa ndefu kidogo, lakini kila game yenye imebaki tumebakisha game 4. Kila game yenye imebaki tunaichukulia kama finali, tutacheza tutafute hizo pointi 12. Msimu tulianza vizuri lakini ikafika katikati ikakaa ngumu. Finances players kwa manage nayo ikakuwa ngumu, lakini tunaendelea kusukumana nao at least tuone fenye tutamaliza ligi.
Maigaye draw eyo timu ya Gucha Youth niko yanyalire chinga kichingongu otira gochia sobora iwe ligi nonyana bomo team manager we timu iyo Victor Mumanyi niko aereire igatimiro belio barachikobeka kwa ene kinga nkobwa bale chigosori chikobwa atinye ase ligi iyo ya FKF Division 2 nyoranga etimu ya Gucha Stars niko ekora ETL ligi osenigo era sobora iwe ligi ebyo abwasaba kubwatigwa ne timu iyo ya Gucha Youth babo bwete chipointinye maiga usebale maiga ye timu ya Gucha Stars ne chipointi inye.
Naitwa Victor Mumanyi, team manager wa Gucha Youth FC. It's our home game. We trained for a win na imesha draw. Tunasemaga kwa game kuna lose, kuna win na kuna draw. Ime happen tumedraw. Like tumegawa point moja. Imekuwa game nzuri. Tuliweka kikosi cha kwanza tukateleza kidogo, concede bao 2, change kikosi, tukafanya substitutions, come back na bao 2. Then ika happen time tunataka kushinda tukakuwa 1 man less. I guess that is where tactically to fail after to lose 1 man. Ika happen kwanza labda dakika ya 60 to 90 tukashikana bila kufungana, and we expected to win. As I said earlier, ikuwa kitu tulikuwa tuna expect. Since ni home ground, we were expecting a win, but game imesha draw. Saa hii tuko na difference ya point 4 na timu ambayo inaongoza yenye ni Gucha Stars, and still we are not going to give up. What we can promise our fans is that the next games tutahakikisha kwamba tumezishinda, including game ambayo tunacheza na Gucha Stars, because that is the game that is going to determine team gani inaenda playoffs. I think kama umekufuatilia game zetu, first leg was the same case. After we lost against Onenonam hapa Sameta, tulipiga draw 2 ndo tukaanza kushinda. I guess after players wetu wame lose, ukiangalia kwa ukifanya analysis, ukiangalia tangu ligi ianze tumelose game 2, na ukiangalia after tume lose, morale ya players wetu inarudi chini sana. Tunapiga draw ndo wanaanza kushinda. So I guess
Nonyamaiga ya Kevin Omondi kobegwa ekadi mbalirie timu ya Gor Mahia nigo yanyarete kubwaterera ubwi bwabege baetuya mona Austin Odhiambo asitaika ya 30 se okobwe gosori gati yabo amona FC Leopards egoliemo asebosa Austin Odhiambo nigo abigetete egoli ntangani ne yabene ase gosori yo asitaika ya 30 amaiga ya ye Kevin Omondi akaegwa ekadi mbaliri wekirabo ni timu ya Gor Mahia nigegendete kora ligi ya unit point 50 na isano na ibere chipoint kianda bosio bwe timu ya Police iyo kubwatia asiri bagalia kabere ni chipoint 45 isato timu ya Tusker iyo yayebwete timu ya Ulinzi Stars egolia ya Masebosa nigere ase libaga ya gatatu ni chipoint 45 na yamo egatie chigosoli chinde chagosole tigweli tukolegoro ngamo ni timu ya Muranga iyo ya Chetemakali ne goli ne timu ya Muhoroni asogotabekana goli ende abana banga Shabana ni bagosoletie litukoli ya Jumamosi abwase barwete makali gotabekana goli ende ne timu ya Kakamega Homeboys egosoli ya Mashemeji Derby asegeti kya Nyayo National Stadium na wayalengeyo
Jafari Oiti ondoka Roni kwake Musa Masika Wanyama ambabatiza Roni punch nzuri Said Musa bado kitu piga pasi kumtafuta double R Kisigino Jerome Bryson Maka save Levi Sopria Jr. Kennedy Wino na unasa double R Austin piga blow Levi Sopria anasomea mabeki wake mchezaji wake jaribu contain pressure najua kuwa hapa sikuwapanga na Vincent Mahiga anauondoa kumtafuta Victor Omune. Ochame anapiga nyuma kwenda chini. Peter Waweru Kamaku anatoa kadi, ameingia kwenye mfuko wake, ipo na nyekundu. Kevin Omondi Saha mwana kuliwati amelitafuta, amelipata. Victor Omune Ochami alipiga juu yake, ame-extend mguu wake.
Nchimurigerio bobuyo buo Gor Mahia ni gobogendete koba matumaini yokobua ligi ya FKF Premier League asentunda ya merongevere ne ya mochinga kitimu yanka ya Shabana eganete konyora chinga kichinkongu ase ligi yo maiga yoko irana se o season yega Shabana ni go yanyorete point ya moya yigetichi point chayo wika emerongevere na isano na ni go ego ikirabono ere ase libagali 15 na kabiri ndumaitigo sento chigotoba go chimutwaiga amange captain 001 na totevi ase nsemo ya machengu mbungo tebitu asobwango amamnyoko a London Marathon nigo agendrete eikendie abwase aba Kenya banyarete ko baba gusaseria ase amamnyoka yo Perez Jepchirchir nigo abunete rekodi yo momnyoki Mary Keitani ase okobwa London Marathon asokumnyoka chinsebere teka 15 neye mone sekondi 15 na koira obubyo bunyoranga umusupati Perez Jepchirchir niga kubwa amamnyoka yo anene maiga yoko baseri bagali ya gatatu ase omwaka oeta ya Jepchirchir nigo ababuete omo Ethiopia Tegisti Asefa oyoireteri bagali ya kabere omo Kenya Jacqueline Jaislyn Jepkosgei agaso ase libagali ya gatatu na sensemo yabasacha mo Kenya Alexander Mutiso ni gonere abueta mamnyoka yoso kumnyoka chinsebere chitageka inye ne sekonde yamo na kwenyolera gusekonyolera ense ya Kenya ligena liedha habunara yona kwa liganatiko rwa sensemo yemanye chigosoli tomirande sensemende ye studio nere Joshua Tamisi amona Evelino Sero egera twemanye imeye Jumatatu.
Sultan, karibu sana.
Bia wana.
Lakini kwa nari wasane vikoroto, kai mwono siye vikoroto.
Maithe toko mnyakani ne chinsa inyango bachire abantu mbaro banjete kuligereria betrayed heart. Bona ayonye heart yawe yabere betrayed already mbaro batagete konya rase TV.
Alichani mbwa maisa
komyo
kamanya ini.
All right. Sultan, for the first time aragwa somelia talio mo Kenya onya takobaga kubwase chigosori chema minyoko Elikana Mutiso
Alexander
yes.
Mutiso Kurbokamba. Lakini the very last week na batenga botambe abantu ngumbu barangaratinga ki abakenya bonse pinjep kipu bondoro chi gusi na bokamba ngatemba bare kolete balance.
Yemono kegi machi gosole chingi chanyare koba chi koene ki wase orogongo ruagusi kwa nerete mu ya Shabana
Antonio kwanira weekend ye yasogete makali yegoli yotabekana goli ende ne timu ya I think yaringe Kakamega Homeboys tinta itinkwa nira sobo imemo na singe nchobo bamboleo ndendole no kwegena nganya sale na nintwe ndo kenge nchongeringa Manchester United moja
Mwedavalin asemanya Jumatatu wiki anyarete kwa wegoeta Victor Nigate utenga timu ya Shabana nigo ibwendete kubwa chigosori chance chiria etaranyara kubakoba heko gosora kinya se weekend mbachete draw timate bono chances jinga chigo chichia
imani inaendelea kufifia lakini kama mimi mwana Shabana na mwana Manchester ninajua at least niko na pahali pamoja pa kuweka
ase miaka ya nyareko bego etatu aroche ogo tap chi talent echi kuchi chigosori anene ase egosori yengoyo nigo cha kolekanira chi high school kwanyara nga labda chi captain na bateneria banyara ko bagwetana chi school chinga kichi chigosori kwanyara abantu banyare ko bakurusi wali bara abana be school lakini babwate biye bote maito somoro beliye bali nogenda tukoba kwene kiwasa chinga kichi bono
Victor nere uramanye
mono bunanga rasa mantuka bono etimu buna Shabana nige kurusia bagosori baye kurwa seto tebe timu chinde me aida sorgongo rwa gusibu na timu ya I believe ya Rusi ya bagosori ya timu ya Gucha Youth timu ya Ichuni nechi timu ya Chichense na chichiko Rusia bagosori bono kurwa se chisku I think timu ya Shabana buna timu tobwata na into gwetogerie rasi ya ligi ya KPL na bwenta ko irege tambokero eso ki timu elia yokorwa bagosori yabajia egera tutware fresh blood as timu you might talent abantu umuntu naronda tinga opportunity na rako ekogera kwabo montore na bora nyora yole Ndizi TV asinge njoro moralia lakini naro moralia wetaneti no opportunity ataranyora same thing with the chigosori na mugosori naro karase school gete omunya wetani bali barase Shabana bono asinge njataranyora opportunity eyo na kiyakogera maybe timu ya Shabana tole mae igo challenge uchi ase that technical bench ngeso ki timu eyo korba abaki tokini Shabana
Timetingia kubegentege kongo kunyora chitimu bunecho na bakero kende none company kurusio mwana eskuru komwa egasi yugose komwa ari bagere ko orokie kewa kiaye akore de baba ngagete bakoire na amwana oyo yaya jide kekere ngo kiaye ne eskuru awocha gokora kende
lakini we have improved asengencho I think for the first time this year nto bwato mwaki ko Shabana kogosererie team ya national team I think onye tari under 18 was a 19 igo nto bwate still fresh blood as team eyo nelinga babuche
Oisikoligira liboigo Victor as National Super League timu ya Gusii teligo korabia kigima as Kenya Premier League Shabana nonyeroche bono koranga chitimu chinyinge ikochikare as Division 2 I guess echikonya kwebo kibokiga bono ndoma etinga enyarekane Shabana yarure as KPL se ligi yo timu ya labda ya Gusii FC nyale kwa bekorwa se National Super League timu manyeti asora chikoba togo toka kulingene challenge uchia se
kolende Gusii FC aro telikorwa NSL kagerete last season as NSL Gusii FC na Shabana nchi abwate omosugumo gete yani iko challenge challenge Shabana kere number 2 Gusii FC actually no ere number 5. Tima bwana usene competition ya lenga ase chibere ekagera chikasuka igorake. Bisikeli boniga Gusii FC tera waro kigosori ya waro gatia season ya eta. Ase division ya kabere. Chitimu chiro igo ichire chinyinge kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii. Competition igo ere igoro mono. Bono etugwe to make sure nganto gwata chitimu chinyinge kuru Gusii ase ebirenge bye igoro egera chi compete within themselves chiro kiagosori ngie.
Bimano kegima Evelyn asemanye Jumatatu nyara kwa batoko molekera amange timedo singwikira na asema gachali TC hanyara kwa kwenyorera embusoro ya avocado elia has
no mole nyari boli
na tebia sencho na bwatani wana mangana maigana inonose na tebia Mildred Mombanyi ande tere
cha avocado
nchigo simeka
bikito maedero mole miere wechingo no moni wa magana ekienyeji so amangana ya avocado ya hasta tegete komanya iyo na ndete tegete komanya
avocado ande amisi ndona gunduire Mildred Mombanyi orantali sana sabali agendo kebwate eniubu NNP ensengima talingana avocado nobole obole minobo ndabona gateba tu obole minobo egento ebintombire bigosime kuga Gusii bitabu atiri etari yake Gusii lakini mbiro na chago tebi igo challenge tema itigo saba abale mimbeso kyoma ite nabo none county serikali ye county weso kibono ya bono ya so ki program yo kana na hasa avocados Gusii ya rosi linga avocado ya botambe to simeka mata ko rutente tera iga ya mingi to chikuye so aso Gusii likoli kwanyora nga mbaroba ke bagoyonda bawo ichimbusurechi umurimi yo ichimbusurechi 250 ase the last meeting na ndoche to atwalete no murimi getegate betenga aso mutoyo mona bakogesa chia avocado ange 50 mutoyo asoko gesoko munande nchibu ati seasons mono igo challenge ngo chia sabali mbaito timaitigo sembeso ke bachikuya chia avocado chia serikali county ya Kisii yale kwena na kolendo nyemweso geti it's a challenge chia somulenga ki nto basakabera se bakoruke gesomo ne lietari ko prakinti gandi tumi kelinga nto mamo te pakotire wechigoro chensa ya duchitageti togenda ne chinga kuna chikogenda innovations egere tokinie buna bata ubuli minogonda na ibu tutora tababatenengo
asomorogerio oyo gosasoma yoyo boigo mugabana be county ya Kisii Paul Mbarati na ko bakwenekia buna chibasare chechi county ni ochi anyare ko bagose chenyere ko bachikoenekiwa gochakalitikolia angio koikira litikolia ijuma ni go bono morogerio anyare ko bagokwenekiwa asichiwodi hangagete evaline ngana anene yomogoko kigima maiga yechibasare chikoganywa inyorenga umwaka uri nyata ko bagweta umutinyi 12 ali abayibuli baichorete chifomu icho bagatwara ko semerenga chiskuru chikoigorwa enga kigo somutinyi o January rokene naliyo bare ko babako egwa chibasiricho
nonya bange babokero kende konyora bakuro moyo akini rende bono ningana yomogo kima abaro kiwambachie konyora ogosirwo kwiga nabaro konyora ribagari okobera seskuru iri babawikirania chiseme
namene
Manchomo rigereria yongati yali atwa ko aliganetie emarogoba yabono bya manasenga ncho kwenike kwanyara ko bago gosanga amona intwe chinga kitonyara ko batoko baterana amona baliki baito mangana maya bagena to ko bakwe busora chingongo ao
mbia manasi bali mwensi mogendrete go to bwati ase chinsemo chemetanda Victor ngagete nabo to manyange gati abali bagendrete uturigereria sensemo ya Facebook Vincent Kenyoru kurwase chinsemo cheiranda nyakoya hotabanyakoya yonsi niligeretie Protas Nyakundi tuligiretie no mwancho nekorwa Magwagwa Nyamira County following kutoka Wama Kinyonzi Sinoko Webuye kai igwango ikamole Webuye oliakro kunga Boaz Mwesh Clau Nyakenza goteba watching igati yabanda bange barasense mo ya SMS Bienvenido mancho murgeri nyora semero brilliance ya Ndizi TV na babo tonyora sense mo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital
wetra sense mo ya YouTube na babo tobati abuna Ndizi TV News
www.ndizitv.net ensemo ye website tore ye mo asemo chinsa emirongo evere nenye na ndena fwana na misef ante ingantu kwate WhatsApp channel ekorokunga Ndizi TV igoise ko ndagali WhatsApp asensemo ya channels yoli Ndizi TV na bogo follow keregendo kelige gotoka se YouTube ke gotoka se Facebook na oye kobe kwa bwa se WhatsApp channel yetu
Bimono kegima korwa setimu engima ye manye juma tata singa kieni manye tenga go ikirali tukulia juma mosi na biranya ko banganto merana buna emanye juma tatu igoto komo ganelia oyo minto dipo na sanya amayase omoroberio oye abwate gwenyangi yole motwe una etimu emanye juma tatu tukukoganelia emeroberio miya na bogo litukelio linyale ko ba lia maseseni gulinyara ko bakonekia buna chivicha manelo kichago chera senchira yobo ikeraniga korokwa Petra mukere tirane korokwa Josephat amese
enchireterane Evelino Serro lida mosinere oinekia chivicha nerio gigose oba twabato kwatrana asensemo yimanyirio
manchumeliria mbia mono ase ogotoligeria gusaso kuira chinsa chiao naye gotoligeria Eliane Victor Sultan obangi buna botambe amisi ipo siku zidisha